Hey everyone, I'm Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of pet hair, sticky floors, constantly emptying a tiny dustbin or washing dirty mop pads by hand, then this review is going to make your cleaning life so much easier. Today we're reviewing the eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This premium all-in-one robot delivers 8,000 pascals of strong suction, a self-washing and self-drying mop with hot water, and a powerful Omni station that auto-empties, auto-refills, and auto-cleans everything for you. It's perfect for busy homes with pets or kids who want sparkling floors with almost zero daily effort. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is one of the best robot vacuum and mop combos you can buy right now. Most importantly, click that referral link in the video description to grab yours and help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's break down the key features. The eufy X10 Pro Omni has 8,000 pascals of suction power that easily picks up pet hair, crumbs, dust, and debris on hard floors and carpets. The dual spinning mops with hot water cleaning scrub floors thoroughly and then self-wash and self-dry inside the station, so you never touch dirty pads. The Omni Station is a true game changer. It auto-empties the dustbin into a large bag that lasts up to 60 days, auto-refills the clean water tank, auto-drains dirty water, and even washes and dries the mops with hot air. It has advanced AI obstacle avoidance to dodge shoes, pet toys, and furniture legs. The app lets you set no-go zones, create custom schedules, label rooms, and choose different cleaning modes. Battery life covers most average homes on a single charge, and it returns to the station automatically. Setup is simple. Place the station, download the app, let it map your home, and you're ready to go. In real-world use, this robot vacuum and mop combo really shines. The 8,000 pascals suction handles daily pet hair and messes without clogging, and the dual spinning mops leave hard floors noticeably cleaner and streak-free. Reviewers with dogs and cats say the self-washing mops and hot water cleaning make a huge difference. No more smelly pads or manual cleaning. Navigation is smart and efficient once mapped. Obstacle avoidance works well around busy households, and the Omni Station means you only need to empty the dust bag and refill water every couple of months. It's quiet enough to run during the day, and the self-cleaning features keep maintenance extremely low. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are impressive. Strong 8,000 pascal suction for pet hair and debris, excellent dual spinning mops with hot water cleaning, true self-washing and self-drying mop system, powerful Omni Station for hands-free use, smart AI obstacle avoidance, great app control with scheduling and zoning, and outstanding value for a premium combo robot. Many pet owners say it cuts cleaning time dramatically and floors look and feel much cleaner. On the con side, the suction is strong, but not the absolute highest on very thick carpets compared to flagship models. The water tanks need refilling after larger homes, and it's a bigger upfront investment than basic robots. These are typical for advanced Omni Station robots, and the pros far outweigh them for most households. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely. Pick up the eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo if you want powerful vacuuming, real self-cleaning mopping, and true hands-free convenience. It's fantastic for pet parents, busy families, or anyone who wants cleaner floors with minimal effort. If these honest robot vacuum and smart home reviews are helping you find the right gear, hit subscribe for more. And click the affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel running strong. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks so much for watching. If this convinced you to make cleaning easier, give it a like, share with a friend who needs it, or subscribe. See you next time.